change this blue slime into teal slime with this. I got the slime from To Mr. Ryan Eggs. I just made a video 2 minutes ago. I'm kind of just making a rainbow snake, guys. Here's my slime, guys. I don't have any more blue slime, do I? Mommy, I don't have any more blue slime. Let me take this off. So cheesy. Let me take this off. Last touch is to mix it. All done. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for Ryan's slime video I made. Bye.